Om Ganeshaya Namaha. Good evening, beautiful ladies and respected audience. I thank you all for removing time to hear about my venture. I thank the core team and founders of Vibe the Tribe, namely Rimku Nagra ma'am, Shivani Borade Shah ma'am and Dr. Bhavi Modi ma'am. I feel highly obliged that you gave my company an opportunity to be a part of your tribe. Also, a big thank you to my beautiful 50 women entrepreneur ma'ams of this tribe for constantly supporting and encouraging me. I am blessed to have your support. So Mehman Gifting Solution with a Twist is a company which I founded on 8th July 2019 for the purpose of helping various sportsmen. And in this journey, I came across many other causes with which I associated myself. I pledged to donate 60 rupees for each plant. For each plant which was sold by my company for women hygiene and for women in rural areas. The hampers which we curate are the baskets. And this is actually curated by the baskets from a village woman entrepreneur named Shram, which is based in Himachal Pradesh. The takeaway bags, the Mehman takeaway bags with the gifts are made by women from Solapur district and are completely eco-friendly. Being the Vice President of Young Giants Group of Mumbai One and a member of the Connecting Hearts, I consciously try to contribute to the society. Mehman Gifting Solution with a Twist has an array of sophisticated green gifting with sustainable gifts ranging from copper to plants and terrariums to personalized hampers. We have plant bouquets ranging from exotic to ornamental, indoor to outdoor and many more. Designer pots and terrariums curated with jade, succulent, lucky bamboo are some of our specialities. In copperware, we have various concepts like the color therapy design with the Buddha. We also have the healing theme with the 7 chakra design. Then we have the West Bengal Pati Chitra design. So, we specialize in personalization of occasion-oriented hampers like birth announcements, sangeet or any occasion. Our packaging and designing is unique, giving the present a special look. We stand out for our uniqueness and variance in our designs and products. Every time you visit Mehman, you will see a fresh idea of gifting. Now, I will be giving you some tips of the like Vastu tips and plant care. So, money plant and lucky bamboo plant are commonly found in homes and offices. So, I would like to just share a few tips for these plants. So, the money plant. Now, money plant. This plant should be kept in southeast direction of the house, as this direction is owned by Lord Ganesha and is also the direction of the planet Venus. Lord Ganesha removes the obstacles and Venus brings wealth. So do not let the money plant fall downwards or touch the ground. Support it by a supporter and let it grow upwards. Then we move on to the lucky bamboo plant. So it is a symbol of good fortune and prosperity. The best direction is east or again southeast direction. The eastern section of our home or office represents family, and as such this plant brings good fortune and prosperity for the family. So you can keep this plant in stocks of 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. The tip here is to tie the stalks with a red ribbon and put a metal coin in the pot. With this you have covered all the 5 elements. So use only filtered water for your lucky bamboo plant. For all plants in general, try having plants in even number in the balcony. Love your plants like you love your children. Plants remove stress and make the environment happy and pleasant. Now, curtain raiser for my new products. So I would like you all to know that we have come up with lots of pocket-friendly sustainable hampers, from Mystic to Healthy. We have also come up with dedicated section for children in plant gifting. So if you could see here, we have specially for the children, we have arranged some pots. We will definitely be providing the plants with all of these pots. There's a cute elephant there. also have this girl. So this is a new idea which we've come up with. And also another thing which we have come up is Rene Collection. It is a new range of certified copper bottles named after two blessed souls. So I'm just going to show you the product. So this is the Rene Collection. So it is named after two blessed souls, Rinku Nagda ma'am and Neelam Kumar ma'am. Rene means reborn. So a pure certified copper bottle. It has enormous health benefits by drinking water from this bottle. Being glazed in red color has some significance attached to it. Red color element enhances positivity if kept in the southeast direction. So just keep this bottle in your living area facing. So this is our Rene Collection. I'll also be showing you the top. So you can have a view inside. So this can be easily be transportable in your bag, and also this is the new product which will come up. So also we have made this bottle with 650 ml capacity so that it is very convenient to carry and keep it in your bag. This makes it an ideal product with dual purpose for in-house use or use while traveling. So I would like to close my presentation with a small request to all the beautiful ladies present here. You can save our future Indian generation by starting to become self-reliant. We can start by choosing local and being vocal about it, especially as regards Chinese finished goods. So, exactly that I was saying, like the Chinese consumer goods are not good, okay? So it is not going to be easy, but let us make a start and put a serious effort of being Atmanirbhar. So thank you for watching. This is Krish Gada in association with Sonia Gada signing off. Keep chasing your dreams. And lastly but not the least, we will be shortly launching our website in which you will be able to view our creations anytime and anywhere. Please stay tuned for more news on this. So actually my presentation was just of 30 minutes, but I want to keep it short and sweet so that people get attracted the most. So thank you everyone. Thank you for seeing my presentation and spending your time. I think that it was worth it.